Fool, why are you running?
I just want to try to get that fucking picture for Daniel.
I broke my charger. Did he actually?
Yeah, Juan actually broke his charger.
Why?
He charged. Danny has a Samsung charger, and he tried to charge his iPhone with it.
I was putting deodorant. And I was just trying to smell myself.
So when do you plan on getting married?
When these bitches stop playing around.
When these bitches stop playing around? Respect, respect. So never?
Dude, Sadio never. There's no game over.
Hey, but we just checked your DMs, food. Those were all guys.
That's so weird. Fool, don't know your iPhones and iPhones and phones? I mean, fucking.
Bro, I thought it was a micro one.
iPhone and Galaxies?
Food, don't eat him.
Damn, why you gotta do him like that? If we just ate.
Juan.
What? Oh, wow.
Juan.
Oh, that's so weird. I'm right here?
Run through, food. Go, 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 go.
Safety first.
Safety first, safety first. Go, go, go.
Thank you.
¿Sí sabe cocinar y nada más?
Ya me casé.
Oh my goodness. ¿Y tú, primo, qué andas comiendo ahí?
Popo.
Ah, salud, con la pura agua, porque no lo traen en bebida.
Oh, my fork.
Fuck. Con las manos.
Those are my shirt. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed.
For all the City fans out there, what were you expecting?
Look at this. Champion.
I just want you guys to know that this costs a lot of money.
Okay, what?
Like a lot of money. No, keep on coming. It's like, we're over there.
The money into production.
Hey, is this a free soda?
A free what? Oh, bro, what the hell? That's something like, Okay. Wait. All right, now you start closing your eyes.
Wait, am I gonna be on that side?
Step right here. Now close your eyes. All right, walk.
Wait, do I have to put this on?
Walk. Just close your eyes. Just walk straight. You shouldn't. That shouldn't be too hard.
Well, I'm drunk, so you know.
No. Okay. Oh, try your best. Oh, okay. Open your eyes. Look to your right.
Oh. Brand new.
We got a new one. Hey guys. So long story short, I got into a car accident about a month ago on the freeway. And after a couple months of going back and forth with my insurance company to see if my car was gonna get fixed or not, I decided to take matters into my own hands and I bought a brand new 2021 Kia K5 GT.
Yo, tengo Calderón, Don Omar, los bandoleros. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi gato activado.
So yeah, that is my brand new car and I totally love this car a lot and I just want to thank you guys for all your support and I'm sorry that I was MIA for a few months, but I was dealing with that and just some other personal stuff, but hopefully we're back and better than ever. Alright, more content coming your way, but please drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Alright, peace, see y'all in the next video.